This is the SGLEDs 36 watt motion sensor light made by the SANSI company. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we find the instruction booklet, a card, all of the mounting accoutrement that you will need, some wire nuts, a gasket, the metal bracket, and the associated screws. And here is the light itself. All of these are fully adjustable. You can turn them any which way you need. They rotate also, but I just need 2 hands for that. So you could angle it this way if you so desired. And here is your motion sensor. On the bottom there's some dials here that you can adjust. You can adjust the light sensitivity. So in other words, what time, because this will do like dusk to dawn, and there is the light sensor there. So you can adjust about, how dark it needs to be before they go on, and it can do that. Or you can also set it to turn on when somebody walks by with the motion sensor. There's also a switch on the front there that will allow you to select the different modes. Now I just have a cord rigged up as a test. Do not do this at home. Install this properly on an electrical box as it's designed to, but since I'm not doing that, just to give you an idea how bright this is, we'll go ahead and turn it on, and in a moment it clicks on. We'll let the camera adjust to that right there, and you can see the LEDs. It is super duper bright, really nice, lights up everywhere, and it's not even pointing anywhere but the ceiling at the moment. So here I've moved the lights, and you can see how it washes the wall in light as such. And here is the motion sensor, just when I even come anywhere near it, and that can all be adjusted as well with the dials on the bottom of the control there. The lights are just barely warm, so you really wouldn't have anything to worry about. Besides, they're ceramics, so they'll dissipate heat properly should that ever need to be. The lights are also relay controlled. You can hear the click and the click off, so that means you're going to have a nice positive connection. It's no transistor logic going on here where that might fail or anything like that. These lights are going to be on or off depending on what the sensor sees. So a very high quality light from SGLEDs from the SANSI company. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.